It is under the branch of physics called optics.
Optics.
What was the optics? Optics is concerned with light.
Exactly.
What is visible to your eye?
Eye.
Right, optics.
Yes.
And one of the experiments of optics is refraction of light.
Exactly.
Now, for you to understand the concept of this practical, if you get a bottle of water or a bowl of water, are you getting what I'm saying now?
Yes, sir.
And you take that bowl of water or bottle of
Precious,
water,
bend your head down.
a bright place, a bright environment, and you allow the surface of the water to be gentle. After some time, pick your pencil or a straight material, dip it inside water, and observe what will happen. You will notice that in the water, the pencil will appear as if it is bent.
Exactly.
But in reality, it is not bent. That phenomenon that we call refraction.
Exactly.
What is the reason for that? The
Pencil.
light length of this pencil, okay, in air, because air is less dense than water.
Water, yes. Yes.
Look straight outside the water. When you check the water, it is not bent because water is more dense than what air.
Yes.
Are you getting now?
Yes, sir.
Similarly, to practice that using your glass, we are going to make use of our optical pins. We are going to fix optical pins at one edge of the glass. Then not check to the glass. So fix the other two pins. How do you fix it? You will notice that when you check to the glass, you will see the image of the pins you have at the other side. You see in the glass. But then, the position of the image of these pins will be different from the position of the pins originally. The reason because when the rays of light from the pins strike this glass, because the glass is more denser than air, the rays will tend to refract. So what you see in the glass here will enable you to fix the other two pins such that the arrangement of the pins in the glass and the one you fixed finally will be on the straight line.
Exactly.
So once you now do that, you remove the glass and check what happens. You notice that the position of the original pins differ from that of the new set of pins. And that's actually explains what we call refraction. So you understand?
Yes.
So I'm going to practice this using this question. This question here was extracted from physics past question.
Some blue.
Are you getting me now? Now, for every physics practical, there is always a procedure to follow. For this practical, that is the procedure. Follow it closely. Are you getting me now?
Blue, please bend your head.
For every physics practical, you must draw a graph. In exam, they will give you 3 questions. 3 practical questions. For this year, possibly, I think we are giving practical on mechanics, practical on optics, and practical on electricity. I get what I'm saying. The first part is talking about use of spring balance, kerosene, and then masses or something like that. That's mechanics. The second question talks about optics, use of rectangular prism, which I've just explained now. While the last one is talking about electricity. Now, each of these practical question carries their respective graphs. Which means that for every practical you must do in physics, you must know how to plot their respective graphs. So, on Tuesday, possibly, just this, if you are asked to do 2 out of 3, for those 2 you are doing, you have to plot their graphs. You are plotting 2 graphs. If they ask to do 3, you are going to plot 3 graphs. You understand? That's physics for you. So now, we are going to follow this.
Carry your impressions.
The question says that
Bend now.
you have been provided with rectangular glass prism, which I'm holding right now. Optical pins. I see it? Yes, sir. And other necessary apparatus, such as the ones I mentioned from the outset. Using the above diagram, which means every diagram we're going to draw on each sheet must look like this. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Yes.
Respond. Do you understand?
Yes.
Using the above diagram as a guide, carry out the following instructions. The first instruction is what? Fill it out, please.
Fix the drawing paper provided.
Yes. Hello, read again.
Fix the drawing paper provided to the drawing board.
Yes.
It's not my voice.
Now, the purpose of fixing your paper on the breadboard is to maintain a close attachment of your paper to the board so that air will not what? It will shift from your
Exactly.
from the original position.
Yes.
Now, the purpose of this pin here, what do you use this one? The purpose of this pin is to affix your paper on the board, on the breadboard. Do you understand what I'm saying now?
Yes, sir.
Good. What else? Number 2.
Yes, sir. Number 2.
Place
Place